Welcome to the episode of BTGMoto, the one where I do something really dumb. I am about to take my 25-year-old VFR800 on Continental Road Attack touring tyres, hyper touring tyres, but touring tyres. I'm going to take it into the fast group and I'm going to see if I can keep up with AndyC. I have no idea if this is a good idea or a bad idea, but there's only one way to find out, right? This is Andy. Yeah. There's Derek. Where's my man going?
That's John.
Where's John going?
Either he's done or he needs fuel. Yeah.
Okay.
To be honest,
We'll do a lap alone.
okay. Right. Thank
Okay. Are you going again? I'll follow you, Derek. Where there's a plane, there's a claim. Okay.
Kyle, shoot off and get the tyres warm at your pace, and I'll come back and come by somewhere in Acton.
Okay.
You're going on cold tyres, aren't you?
Not really.
Alright. You just shoot the car.
So there's my friend Derek. He's in Andy's group. Oh God, Steve. Andy. I'm not talking much, am I? Because Andy is riding the wheels of that V4 RS and it just looks like nothing. It looks really good, but look at that. Andy Carlile! Woohoo! That was the wheel control. Basically making Andy fight with one hand behind his back, you know. Oh my gosh. Following Derek now, fastest pensioner on the Nürburgring. Oh, that's it now. Physically I'm pretty tired and very hot. My bike's getting pretty hot. What did I just see there? 107. Oof. I might have to back this off. 109. Okay, I'm backing that off. That's official. Okay, so we'll see how long we can keep them in sight. We're going to set ourselves 8,000 RPM. 108, that's going down again. So less revs, less power. 106. Just cruising, half throttle, come on. Too hot for my old Honda this. 104, half throttle, half throttle. I've lost them. See you later, alligator. They took me to Gappleby's and they bought me the hot gaffle sauce. Okay, I need to pull this down. Wow, what a lap, eh? What a lap. Now, I'm not going to stop here. I can't stop here now. I'm still 101. So I need to keep moving. Woo. Damn, boy. That do be hot. That do be hot. .103, we are climbing again. I can't even stop to chat. I'm just going to shout at them. I've got to go cool the bike down. I have to go cool it down. Back in 2 minutes. Oh wow! I mean, fantastic lap, but I don't think that catalyzer's doing my exhaust gas temps any good. I think it's backing up to the cylinders. I'm a sweaty mess, as you can see. Just to conclude, I knocked that on the head there and had to go to half throttle because I saw 107, 108 on the water temperature. My temperature was probably worse, and yeah, didn't really save the temperature. As soon as I came back into the car park, it shot above 100 again. This bike normally runs at like 86 Celsius. So anything more than 86 and I'm kind of like, okay, that's warm. More than 105, yeah, that's hot. Anyway, if you enjoy the videos, you know what to do. If you like and subscribe, then you'll see me on the next one. So, catch you later. Right.
Hundreds of people that were bikers at the Nürburgring.
Hello.